Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals to a minus b to the power of 2. Now 49, that is about 7 to the power of 2. 14, that is about number 2 with number 7. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to simplify. And we put number 7 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.